Hey, I'm Kayla with WTI, and this Dime Lip Balm is my new favorite and go-to lip balm. Now, I got this recently, and as soon as I tried it, probably after like the third time, I realized that I needed to get a second one. So I keep one in my bathroom and one in my purse because I always want to have this on hand. I love how this makes my lips feel. It makes them feel nice and smooth while nourishing them, but also gives off a really nice glossy look too. I like that it doesn't make my lips feel like super sticky or anything like that. It just brings out the natural beauty. This was one of my first Dime products and I am absolutely obsessed with it. I like the way that it smells too. I personally can smell the shea butter in it and I really love that scent. I really like the slanted applicator. It goes on really nice and smooth. I just squeeze it a little bit for a little bit of gloss to come out and it glides on so nicely. When I use this, my lips feel really smooth and they have a nice shine to them. So if you need a little extra love for your lips, I would check out this awesome moisturizing lip balm from Dime. But that's just my point of view.